Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty and easy mango pickle known as Achar ya maembe in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. So let's get started. I've used 2 large mangoes. Wash and cut them into pieces. Then I'm going to put them in a large bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix them very well. Once you're done, cover the mangoes with a foil and place them aside for approximately 8 to 10 hours. After 8 to 10 hours, I'm going to remove all the water from the mangoes. Unwrap the foil and mix the mangoes once more. Using a sieve, remove all the water from the mangoes as you can see in the video. Once the water is completely out from the mangoes, you're going to take a large plate, place a baking sheet on top, then place the mangoes and spread them around the plates. Then I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and mix everything well, then place the mangoes on a direct sun for at least 48 hours. After 48 hours, my mangoes are ready as you can see in the video. Do not let the mangoes to be completely dry. The next step, we're going to make our mango pickle. In a pan, place it on a medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds and cook them for at least 2 minutes. When ready, place them in a food processor and blend them for at least 1 to 2 minutes into powdery. Once ready, pour in a small plate. Using the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and cook them on a medium heat for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and I'm going to cook them for 1 minute. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and stir for 1 minute. Afterwards, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of blended green chillies and stir for another minute. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, a bit of salt, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed powder, and lastly, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and stir for another 1 to 2 minutes. Then I'm going to pour a half a cup of cooking oil and mix everything well for at least 30 seconds. Lastly, I'm going to pour 3 tablespoons of lime juice and mix everything well and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes and my chili mixture will be ready. Lastly, you're going to take a medium-sized large bowl, add the dried mangoes and the mixture of the chili pastes and mix everything well and nice and your mango pickle is ready. And my tasty mango pickle is ready as you can see in the video. You can eat along with some rice, biryani, pilau or anything that you like and enjoy your mango pickle. Stir the mango pickle in a glass jar container and place it in the fridge and it can last for approximately 1 year or more. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.